In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create your own YouTube channel and how to start as a small YouTuber. It took me a year to get monetized, but big disclaimer, I didn't really upload consistently. I wasn't serious about this. So I think if I was a little bit more serious about it, it would have happened quicker. So if you want to get monetized faster than I did, this is the video for you. A couple of tips that you may know already, but they have to be said, and one of them is lighting. So this lighting is okay. It's better if I'm in front of a mirror, and I'm currently filming in my hotel room, so I'm gonna try to avoid that part, kind of film it on this side so it's more clean. So basically, clean your room before you start filming. Just a quick tip. The biggest thing is your microphone. Doesn't have to be very fancy, but should be good. The location is okay. It doesn't really matter. People will be forgiving of your surroundings as long as your sound is good and as long as you keep it interesting. So don't stay in one shot for too long. So we're gonna move over here. But that being said, I think it's obviously more important the content you're gonna create than, you know, your fancy shots. I personally got overwhelmed when I started looking at all these like tips and tricks about YouTube. I was like, oh, but I need to have these perfect shots, and I need B-roll, and I need sound, and I need lighting, and I need a team, and I need so many different things to make this work. The truth is that everyone that starts, most people, they don't have a huge team, they don't go crazy, they don't spend $1 million just to film a video, you know what I mean? So you don't have to either, and we all start, and I think the biggest thing is to see and look at your past videos, or any creator, any big creator, if you looked at their past videos, they're not gonna be crazy good. So it's a process to improve, and I think the biggest thing, the biggest tip is to make small changes in every video. So for me right now, I know that I don't do this enough, which is I don't move the camera enough. So I'm trying to move it as much as possible and to just, you know, every couple seconds, just use something different while I'm giving the tips. If you watch a movie, you'll see that every 5 seconds the scene changes. So once it's from this angle, then it's from this angle, then it's from that angle. It's like constantly moving. And for me, it's useful if I don't shoot the video in one go and I cut the scenes. So then before I start recording, I look at my notes and see what I'm gonna talk about next. In the beginning, I didn't script my videos at all. I didn't know what I'm gonna talk about. So basically I would start recording and just saying whatever was in my head. That, I mean, it's the way we think is kind of chaotic and kind of crazy. So instead, I write just 3 simple things. One is intro, so basically the hook or the thing that's gonna be the most useful to people that are watching the video, and then some bullet points, and I'm gonna write down the examples. Which is another thing why you need to stop recording and start recording again, is because I get out of breath and then you look a little bit more stiff, a little bit more awkward. We don't want that. So just stop recording, breathe like a normal person, just and start recording again. Which brings me to the next really important tip, which is your personality. And it takes time for the personality to shine through. I really think I'm still like not fully myself, if that makes sense. Like I still feel like I could be a little bit more me and a little bit like show my personality more than I'm showing it now. But I'm definitely better than I was in the beginning. I think one of the reasons why you need a year to get monetized is because you need to create enough videos where you would start looking less awkward. Really don't judge yourself too much in the beginning, because it's probably gonna look really weird for you. But maybe do small steps and maybe record short videos first and then, you know, kind of move your way to a longer form video.